All right, so boom, a few years ago, I went up to New York City because I was trying to open a bank account in Nigeria. I applied for something called a BVN, which I'm going to explain. But what's more important to understand is I mentioned earlier how a lot of businesses here have plugs from their countries of origin, establishing logistical networks, right? We have such power. Our spending power isn't just good here in the United States. The USD exchange rate in foreign markets means your single dollar can stretch in a country like Ghana, can stretch in a country like Nigeria, can stretch in China, could stretch, a lot of different places. If you figure out how to use that to your advantage, that opens you up to real estate investment in these countries, starting businesses, restaurants, all of these different things in the country. What might take you $60,000 down payment here might only cost you $5,000 in certain countries. And that's the fun part about playing around with businesses and like LLCs and all that kind of stuff. Like a LLC is more than just saying you have a business here in America. You can take an LLC and actually go to a foreign government and say that I need a business visa to do business with your country. A business visa will enable you to get a bank account in that country, which means you can, put your money in that country. And I'm speaking to Nigeria when I talk about this, but the BVN is called the Bank Verification Number. They have that in Nigeria because they have wide cases of fraud with banking. So each person in the country has a BVN, treasure to your thumbprint kind of a thing. You can go to a consulate and they will let you apply for one and they will give you a BVN. And I believe it's good for life.